In this class, we will learn how to write a file in a FTP server. So I will first of all clone this integration which we created in our previous class. Instead of read file, I am naming this as write file. Click on clone, click on edit. Since we already read the data with the help of read operation, we will be having the data which has to be written to the file. Now after this, I will call the write file operation in FTP adapter. So invoke a FTP connection over here. Provide the name as write file. Click on next. Here we have to select the write file operation. Select ASCII. Output directory details we will map in the mapper. So if you want this to be PGP encrypted, then we can select this and we can do the PGP encryption. If you want to append this to any existing file already present, we can do that by checking on this option over here. Click on next. Here it will ask the sample CSV file. Click on next. I will upload the CSV sample file from my local computer now. I have uploaded the sample CSV file over here. Now it will ask for the record and record set name. I will make all the rows as optional, but I want the column 1 as mandatory. Click on next and done. Now I will map whatever all I have read to the write file operation. In the outbound FTP header type, we have to map the final file name and the directory where it has to write. So in that case, I am mapping file name, target file name over here and the target directory value over here. So in the record set and the record, we have to map what we have read from the file. So it will be under record set. So we have to map record to record and C1 to C1, C2 to C2. As there are only 2 columns in the file, we have only 2 mappings. Click on validate, close and save the integration. Activate the integration. Now let me test this integration. In the source directory, I am providing the directory path over here. Target directory will also be the same, but the target file name we will write integration.csv. Once you populate all the details, click on the test button over here. It has completed the execution. Let me refresh the audit detail. Expand this message received from write file operation. So there is no any such confirmation in the payload. Now let's directly go to FTP server and refresh this page. As you can see, we got the write inter.csv file. Let me open. Yeah, it has written the content to this file. So like this, we can write a file with the help of FTP write operation.